Hello everyone. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 for the year February-March 2021. You are supplied with the following source files. I have copied the files into this folder. Task 1 is preparing the evidence document. Let's do that. First, we have to open the file M21 evidence. Open the file evidence, and we have to insert our name, center number and candidate number on every page. So let us insert the details in the header, and after that we have to save this document as with the file name M21 evidence followed by your candidate number. Go to insert, header, give your name, candidate number and center details. Now let's save this. Save as inside the folder. Save as a Word document, and the name is M21 evidence followed by your candidate number. Task 2, document. So we are going to prepare the document using a suitable software package. Open M21 lab track. Open the required file. Save the document with the file name M21 lab work. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software which you are using. So let us save this. The name must be M21 lab work, and it must be saved in the format of the software. So I am using Microsoft Word document. Save this. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. So open your folder. So this is the file which we have saved. Make sure the file type is clearly visible. So we have to take the screenshot of this folder. This is your evidence 1. Next one, set the paper size to A4 and orientation to portrait. Go to layout. Paper size must be A4 and orientation must be portrait. Set the top margin to 3 cm and all other margins to 2 cm. On layout, click on margins, custom margins. Top margin is 3 and all other margins are 2. Give OK. The margin is set. Evidence 2, place in your evidence document screenshots to show settings for paper size and orientation and the margins. So from layout, click on page setup. So this shows the margins and the orientation. So let's take the screenshot for that. Now we need the screenshot for the paper size. For that, again go to page setup, click on paper. Take the screenshot showing the paper size. Place in the header of the document your name, center number and candidate number left aligned. So insert header, we can choose the 3 columns. On the left side you have to give your candidate details. In the center we have to give the text Tavera University Science. And the image M21 image right aligned to resize to 2 centimeters with text wrap applied. So go to pictures. This is the image. It must be resized to 2 centimeter wide. So right click, go to size and position, set the width to 2 centimeters and make sure aspect ratio is maintained. Give OK. And we have to apply text wrap. So go to wrap text, set it as square. Now close the header. Next, in the footer, automated page numbers left aligned and file name with its full path right aligned. Insert footer. On the left side, the page number. So go to page number, select current position and choose a style for the page number. In the middle nothing is there, so delete the text. And on the right side we have to give the file path. So go to document info, you have file path here. So you have the file path on the right side. Close the footer. Make sure that all items align to the page margins, no other text appear in the header or footer. No header or footer items overlapped and all are displayed on all pages. The house style specification for paragraphs is shown in the table. These styles have been correctly applied to the document, but 2 do not match the house style specification. Identify and correct the 2 styles that do not match the specification. So all these styles are already defined. We have to go through each style and check which is not matching with the specification given here. So let us start with lab title. So this is lab title. You can see all the styles here. On home tab you can see all the styles. So right click on lab title, modify, and let's check whether all these specifications are correct. So it is sans serif Arial 20, it is center aligned and all caps, it's shown here, all caps, and single line spacing, and after we need 12 points. So after 12 point is given. So this style is correct. Next one, subtitle. So right click on subtitle, modify. Let's check the subtitle styles. This is also sans serif 18 point, right aligned. There is no enhancement, nothing is given here. Single 0 12. So it is single and after it is 12. So this is also correct. Next one, subheading. So right click, go to modify. It must be serif 14 point. So it's already serif Times New Roman. 14 point, it must be left aligned, and here it is center aligned. So let us change the alignment to left, and it must be bold and underlined. Here it is italic and underlined, so remove italic and set it as bold. And it must be single line spacing 0 and 12, the spacing. So go to format, paragraph, line spacing is single, before it is 0, after it must be 12. So this is one of the styles which we have changed. Please note the name of the style, it is lab subhead. So give OK. So everything is done for this style. Next one, lab body, right click, modify. It is serif 12, it must be justified. It is given as left aligned, so let us give the alignment as justified. So go to format, paragraph, alignment, you can see justified. In some PCs, justified option will be given here only. Now, next one, no enhancement, so nothing is given here. The line spacing must be 1.5. So here it is single, let's change it to 1.5, and the spacing is 0 and 12. So 0, this must be 12. So give OK. Okay. So they had told 2 styles. We have found 2 styles which were different, subhead and body. Let us check bullets also whether it is matching. So right click, modify. It is serif 12, left, round bullet, 0.63 centimeter from left margin, and 12 point. So this is correct. Give OK. Place in your evidence document screenshots to show the definitions of only the styles you have corrected. So the styles which we had corrected were subheading style and body style. So let us take the screenshots for those. Right click, modify. So this is the subheading. Take the screenshot. In your evidence document, now we need the specifications for body. Right click, modify, take the screenshot. So this is evidence 3. Enter your name immediately after the subtitle, guide produced by. So this is guide produced by. Here we have to give your name. Change the page layout so that the subheading, vernier scales and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between them. So this is the heading, vernier scales and all the text. So select all the text till the end. Now go to layout. You can see columns here, more columns. Select 2. It's already equal width. We have to give the spacing as 1 centimeter. Now all the selected text is in 2 columns. Next one, apply the lab bullets paragraph style to the text from lab book till A4 notebook. You can find that here, lab book till A4 notebook. So select this text, apply lab bullets. Format the paragraph that starts. These are just some of the items so that it displays. So first let us find the paragraph. These are just some of the items. So in order to find, you can click on find here and type the first few words. These are So this is the required paragraph. Select the text. An intent of 1 centimeter from both the left and right margins. So right click, paragraph. You can see indentation. So before text, that is left, and after text also 1 centimeter, that is right margin. Give OK. And it must have an external single line black border. So keep the text selected. You can go to borders here, borders and shading. Click on box so that we get an outside border, and there must be a gray background fill. So click on shading, select a light gray. Give OK. Find the bracketed text in the document. Insert link to tutorial here and make the brackets and the text bold and italic. So insert link. So let's find that text. You can So this is the text required. So select this, and it must be bold and italic. So bold, italic. Spell check and proofread the document. Go to review for spell check, spelling and grammar. You can find the spelling of instructions wrong, so change that. And for tutorials also, the spelling is wrong. You can select from here. This is the difference between American and British English, so we can ignore this. So ignore all. So the spelling and grammar is complete. Make sure that there are no widows or orphans. Lists are not split over 2 columns or pages. Spacing between all items is consistent, and the document is complete with paragraphs intact. So you can go through the document. The list is getting split here, so let us bring the list to one page, and the paragraph preceding it can be brought to the next page. So click here, you can go to insert page break. So that paragraph and the following text will be on the next page. So the list is together now. Now the document is intact. We can save the document. Save this. And then you need to print the document. So this is the end of the document protection task. Next task is the database task, which will be uploaded soon. You can find the link in the description when it's uploaded. So please keep watching. Thank you for now.